ever hopeful workforce. We are here to pay tribute to their resilience, to their discipline, their resourcefulness, and their indomitable belief in Kenya's transformation. To every worker across Kenya, I say today with profound appreciation that your effort is the foundation of our progress. Your well-being is the true measure of the state of our nation, and your dignity is a reflection of who we are and who we aspire to be as a people. Fellow workers and citizens, today is equally a historic moment. For the first time in the 60 years of celebrating Labor Day in independent Kenya, this national celebration are being held outside the capital city of Nairobi for the first time. And not just outside the city of Nairobi, it is being held in this great county of Vihiga County.